Hey y'all, it's Dana Mitchell with OrganizedDIY.com, and I'm back today with another productivity pointer. These are quick tips to help you save time. Don't forget, check out OrganizedDIY.com if you're looking for organizing information, tips, and tutorials. That's OrganizedDIY.com. Let's get started.
For our tip today, we're working in Excel, and I'm in version 2010. And I'm going to show you how to split information from one column into multiple columns. And at times you'll need to do this if you have information like what I've shown here, full names, and you want to split it into two columns, first and last name. Other times I've used text to columns is to remove extra spaces or characters or tick marks or punctuation from field information. So let's get started. As you can see, I've got a list or a column of information. I always suggest making a copy of it and using a copy so that you can keep your original data complete just in case you need to go right back to it. So I've highlighted all these names, and I'm going to right click and say copy, move over, and then right click and say paste, and that gives me a new column of data to work with. So to use text to columns, as I said, I want to split this information into first and last name. I'm going to highlight all of my data, and then I'm going to come up to the ribbon, and this is at the top of your screen in any of the Microsoft products. And as you can see right now, we're on the Home tab, but we want to move to the Data tab. And then we're going to be working within Data Tools section. And as you can see right here, we have a field called Text to Columns. Now the system has automatically determined that I'm working with text and has given me the option of working in this delimited option. But there is a second option called fixed width. If you are working with information that is aligned within columns, maybe you're taking out space that is in the center of your data in every single column, then you could click fixed width and use that tool instead of delimited. So we're going to click next. As you can see in the preview, there is my data, and I'm going to click next. And then it gives you the options of how to separate your information. Now we have first name, space, and last name. So if I click on space, the system in the preview is showing me that it automatically has recognized there's a space in every field, and it has split that last name out for me. So you can see that clearly on the preview screen what is happening. Now if you had a comma, maybe you had last name, comma, space, first name, you could use comma to split it out. If you had a tick mark, for example, if it was a tick mark in your data, you could use this, or if you had a colon, any other characters, you could use the other indicator. So as I said, it's already split this information for us. Visually you can see that. And I'm going to click next. And then this section of the wizard gives us an option to go ahead and format the data that we are splitting. And so I'm working with text, so I will, this first column is highlighted, so I'm going to indicate that I want this to be text. As you can see, that changed. I'm going to click on the second column, and I'm going to indicate text for that one as well. And then I'm going to click Finished. And there you go. You can see that it has split out the information into first name and last name for me. So this is text to columns. I hope this has been helpful, and don't forget, if you're looking for more tips, go to OrganizedDIY.com, and we have some other videos to help you learn some other quick tips to use in software such as Excel, Word, Access, and Outlook. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time.